Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. Now we are in the section of School of Nursing. So, despite a century of public health advances in reducing and eliminating diseases and increasing life expectancy, the world health system faces many challenges today. These challenges including an aging population increasingly burdened with chronically illness, declining life expectancy, and inferior health system performance on measures of quality access, efficiency, equity, and healthy lives. Challenges specific to the public health infrastructure include increasing healthcare costs, limited resources, and a declining public health workforce. So, in this segment, we are going to discuss about strengthening public health nursing. Before we go further into this, let me introduce one Isha Rashid, a lecturer from School of Bioscience, also a program for the School of Nursing, also a program coordinator for public health nursing. So, moving on for the first question, one, why public health nursing is important in the community?
Okay. One would be the high welcome to Faculty of Excel, Bioscience and Nursing. I am going to talk about strengthening of public health nursing. In which Master University is going to start the public health program very soon. So, as the question said, why is it so important?
Yes.
So, I would like to say this one first. Public health nurses give the opportunity of public health nurses are given the opportunity of combine two noble qualities. One is to give the service, the other one is the caring aspect. Okay, and this make the public health nurses into a special group of the uh, healthcare professional. So, Public, public health nurse is a professional by which educational preparation prepared for them for public health nursing and nursing science, which primarily focus on the population level outcome. The curriculum tailored to them are such that they are focused on the care and case management of the vulnerable population at acute care. Participate in evidence-based quality improvement projects, and gain valuable experience with practical real world living at their own workplace. Okay, so how we do that? How we do that by introducing this program, Bachelor of Public Health Nursing in Master University. Okay, the field of study is on nursing and caring. The entry level degree, that means level 6, the type of award will be single major, and duration of study is 4 years full time, but if you take part time, you will 4 to 8 years. Alright, the medium of instruction will be English and Master Malaysia. Total credit hours 133 credit. Teaching learning will be blended, and the credit transfer, there is credit transfer of 30%. It means it's about 40 credit hours. Okay, the aims of the program, the graduate of this program shall function knowledgeably, skillfully, effectively in public health. As public health, they emphasize on the principle of safe and competent public health nursing. Collaborators with various organizations and parties focusing on the individual. Our program educational objectives are at the end of the program. The graduate shall apply the knowledge, skill, and personal attribute of public health nursing by caring, reflective professional whose decisions are based on the best available they can be. Okay? Adapt to ethical and cultural values and professionalism and effective communication, public health to nursing practice. They able to analyze, solve problems with well demonstrate leadership and management critically while fulfilling the public health nursing practice. Lastly, they should know how to utilize the evidence-based practice, lifelong learning and develop entrepreneurs, enhancement of the vision of public health nursing. Okay. The programs, resources available in the campus physical facilities, such as the Center for Skill Education, training stimulation wards, and primary health clinics. And this, they can access on online library by subscribing the books, e-journal, e-books, or that. And then we have prepared them with the LMS system, and then they can access the learning, the subjects, the assessment, all from the LMS. But this is only when they are registered with Masal University for the course. Yeah? The end. Next is the subject itself. Okay, we have 4 years, as we said just now. So we structure the program for the Bachelor of Public Health Nursing for 1 year and 2 semesters. It's 26 weeks per semester. The subject that we are going to give are those subjects like anatomy and physiology. We end with the biochemistry and biology and parapsychology with immunity, and we have the public health nursing. Communication also we have it, the communication skill and counseling skill in public health nursing. So we have also nutrition subject. For the semester 2, we continue with other subjects such as personal and professional development, and then pharmacology, advanced social and psychology in public health nursing. They have to know the ethics and laws. And then we have another 1 NPU subject to be learned, given for the local students and the international students. Such local students, they have to know about Dasar Kerajaan Malaysia, hubungan etnik, that is for the local, and it does that link Tamadun Islam and Tamadun Malaysia. But then for the international students, we will be giving them Malaysian government policy, Malaysian studies, and Bahasa Melayu. They have to learn that. When they come to year 2, for year 2, Sem 1 and Sem 2, we give them the subjects on midwifery, post-basic midwifery.
Yeah, madam, I think we and I think you already answered the first question. Now moving on for the second questions. What are the qualifications required for Malaysian and also international students?
The qualification required for the Malaysian and the local, okay, they must possess diploma in nursing, okay, at least 3 months experience in public health nursing. In public health, I think they have to go in the community for 2 months. Possess post-basic in midwifery, and then register with the Nursing Board of Malaysia, and process current annual practice certificate in the ABC for every year. Or they must have diploma in nursing or its equivalent, process post-basic in public health nursing certificate, because now you are going to take registered in Nursing Board of Malaysia, process the annual in the ABC annual certificate. About the international student, they must possess diploma in nursing and its equivalent. They must have the experience of 3 years clinical working. That means they work first for 2 years, registered in the Council of Board of the country where they working. Possess post-basic public health nursing or midwifery that been subjected to the approval by the selection committee of the community. Possess current temporary practicing certificate, that is the TPC, from the Nursing Board of Malaysia prior they are go for the clinical practice. So they must pass their IELTS and with the minimum score of 5.5. They must pass the TOEFL with the minimum score and they must use English as the medium of instruction.
So for those international or Malaysian students who are interested in this public health nursing, so those are the required qualification to be enrolled in this program. So moving on to the last questions. One, what is the important, why public health nursing is important during pandemic?
Okay, I just answered. In public health, our principle is prevention is better than cure. So this is one of the duty of the public health nurse now. Not only to be the frontliner, taking and doing the investigation, taking the swab or that. The most important thing that they must tell to the public is the importance of prevention. It means the use of SOP. They have to follow the SOP. The prevention of that is for the prevention for the transmission of the disease of COVID. Now it's COVID-19.
Yeah.
So that's why we need to follow the SOP that the government set, that the Kementerian Kesehatan set. Okay, so this is the core for the public health nurse to ensure that it is practiced in their community. So they can help the police, the army, or the and more, of course, the Kementerian Kesehatan.
So I think that is all for today for the School of Nursing. So if you have any interest in our program, School of Nursing, you may visit our Masa Facebook and Masa official website www.masa.edu.my. So stay tuned for the next segment.